You can also utilize the text-to-speech feature to convert text-to-speech inside of CapCut desktop editor. So to do that, you need to go around onto the text right here and then add in the text over here just like this. Once you do that, you need to go around and type in the text that you want to turn into speech. So I'm just going to go around and type in, let's say, for example, welcome to TutorTube right here, just like this. So if I want to change this into speech, then all you need to do is go around onto text to speech over here on the top. Then you can simply choose from one of the voice right here. Like let's say, for example, if I were to select energetic male.
Welcome to TutorTube.
And that is what you have, as you can see. You can go around on to start reading. And it's applying, and you can see that an audio wave is generated out of this particular text that you have right here.
Welcome to TutorTube.
So that is what you have, as you can see. I can go around and select this right here and then go to text to speech and select out something else as well. Like let's say, for example, female vocalist.
Welcome to TutorTube.
And you can see that you can simply turn it.
Welcome to
you can simply turn it into a song as well. So I'm just going to go around and click on start reading right here. And once you do that, what happens is that it's applying text to speech, as you can see, and then this has been generated, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and then resize it, and then you can see that this is what you have.
Welcome to.
And you can see that it is quite interesting. So that is how you can utilize the text-to-speech option inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.